Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to remove background from the pictures which we have recently downloaded from the internet or any photo which you have saved in your files. So if you want to remove the background of that picture, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So if you want to remove the background without any app, then you have to follow this video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have simply download any photo as a sample. For example, I have recently downloaded many photos from here. So here you can simply select any of the photo here, and here if you select a share option, then there is option available remove background in CapCut, because CapCut is an app and you do not want to use any app to remove the background. So you have to simply watch this video completely. So first of all, you have to simply close this page, and after closing the page you have to simply press and hold that photo, and after that a new kind of interface will be available, and here options available, quick actions. So here you can find markup, rotate left, rotate right, create PDF, and after that you can also convert this image. Moreover, option is available remove background, so you have simply click on that. Now as you can see, that photo background has been removed from the photo without using any of the apps. So here you can simply check for that, and you can find in your downloaded photos and any of the photos which are available on your files. So in this way you can simply remove the background without any app. So hope you have liked this video, and get more videos like this you can subscribe our channel.